In this video, I will show you an amazing tool that can create art with the power of artificial intelligence. Introducing Midjourney, an AI-powered artist that can create amazing, stunning arts in seconds. The best part, it's free to use for a limited time. Look at these stunning images that have been created in seconds with Midjourney. Imagine an artist who doesn't sleep, doesn't eat, and create art all the time. That's Midjourney. My name is Ryan Ahmed. I'm a professor and online instructor. I've taught over 500,000 students on Udemy, Coursera, and YouTube. My passion is learning and then teaching what I learn to the world. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so right now we are at the midjourney.com homepage. And basically you will see that Midjourney is an independent research lab that explores a new medium of thoughts. And it's simply a self-funded team that focuses on the design and infrastructure and creation of AI. And it only contains the team only has 11 full-time staff and an incredible set of advisors as well. So what you need to do is to just say join the beta. That's all you need to do. And then please note that Midjourney is running on Discord, okay? And you can just say accept invite, and that is going to navigate you to the Discord here homepage. On the bottom left corner, you can see the newbie here. These are newcomer rooms. So you can just click on newbies 39, for example. And all you need to do here is to just say, imagine, and then you specify text. And then Midjourney is going to create an image or a figure, kind of the imagination of artificial intelligence based on that text that you provided. So you can see, for example, that's someone wrote like American soldier, dark, muscular, side-faced, and that's what you're getting. This is, again, the creative imagination of AI, which is out of this world, I would say. Here you can see white background, for example. You can see some other examples too. Here, this is what we call it the prompt, right? So you can see this is the prompt of an older woman, for example, from India, and that's what you're getting here. So let me show you a quick example. So what I'm going to do here, and let me show you how you can actually write your own prompt. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom here, and then here, I'm going to say, please go ahead, and I would like to imagine. So I'm gonna say here, /imagine, and then you need to specify the prompt afterwards. That's all you need to do. So here, I'm going to specify this. I'm going to say, could you please draw for me or imagine for me a knife oil painting portrait of a beautiful king and queen in ancient Egypt, wearing gold and blue jewelry. Let's go ahead and see the creative imagination of AI or artificial intelligence. And here and you can see other people's work here. It's happening, it's taking place. If you can go up, here we go. This is a job that I submitted here. And right now it's at 0%. So it's gonna take some time for it to load or run. And then Midjourney, every time it creates 4 images, and then you can create variations of the images. And here we go. Now you can see AI is kind of imagining what ancient Egypt looked like and what Egyptians were wearing gold, for example, and blue jewelry. And here we go. Now the AI is creating this art in less than a minute, I would say, in just a few seconds. And here we go. Now the job is done. And now I can go ahead and actually explore this job. So if you scroll down, now I should be able to see the job that I submitted. And here we go. Look at this. Look how incredible this image is, and look at the details of the image. And because I mentioned gold and I mentioned blue, that's why you're seeing all these incredible images of ancient Egyptians wearing gold and blue as well. Okay, so what if I like, for example, let's say maybe one of these images. What you notice here is that you have U1, U2 up until U4. You have V1 up until V4. So basically you can upscale an image, or you can create variations of the image. For example, let's say, for example, this one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna say, please go ahead and create variations of image 3. So it's gonna tell me, are you sure? I'm gonna say, yes, please, go ahead and submit it. And now it's gonna create variations, kind of trying to change, for example, some details of the image, but we're gonna keep the same features pretty much the same. So if you scroll down, now you can see the other job that I just created. Here we go. This is again just variations of the image number 3. And here we go. Now you can see this is image number 3, and these are the variations of the image being created right now. Now we're pretty much done. So if you click on it and you click on open in browser, now you can see all the different variations pretty much of the same image. So now you can see, like, the dress, for example, of that person has changed a little bit, of the old Egyptian pharaohs, I would say. And you can see, maybe I like this one, for example. So now you can go ahead and you can upscale one of those. So now I can say, well, sure, now I like, let's say, this one. So I would like to upscale number 4. So that is going to upscale this image for us. And you should be able to see it somewhere in here after it's upscaled. And here we go. So now we have been able to create an image with the power of artificial intelligence in just less than a minute using Midjourney. Let me go ahead and show you another example. Let's assume that I would like to create a website, for example, that contains Egyptian jewelry, for instance. So what I could do here, I can go ahead and say, please go ahead, and I would like to imagine, same deal as well as before. We learned how to do that before. I'm gonna say a beautiful website of ancient Egyptian jewelry, return of the pharaohs, that's a theme, UI, UX, and this is a prompt. I'm just saying, okay, I would like to have a website. Here I'm specifying the version of the model. I'm gonna say version 4. And then I can say dash as well, AR, which stands for aspect ratio, 2:3. So I'm specifying the dimensions or the aspect ratio of my image, and I'm also specifying which model. So now I can set V4, or I can also set V5 if I wish. Actually, let's go ahead and try V5, for example. And let's go ahead and give it a try. You just press enter on your keyboard, and that is going to create that website for you. So here we go. This is my prompt here, and it's waiting to start right now. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. And let's wait to see the outcome. And look at this. Look how incredible that is. It's actually like loading up right now, but I've seen something similar to it before. And this is when I felt that, like AI is just gonna essentially take over the world, I would say, especially after you see the amazing imagination of AI when it comes to the design of this jewelry. So now we're done pretty much. So now I can say, go ahead and click on it, open in browser, and look at the designs, look at the details of this. Look how amazing that is. So these are the jewelry, and you can see basically the various designs. You can of course get a lot of inspiration by just taking a look at Midjourney and just prompting Midjourney properly. So let me show you one last example. Let's assume that you have a picture already and you would like to give Midjourney some guidance. Basically you want to say, okay, I would like to create jewelry, but I have a design in mind. I have an image that you can use as guidance, for example. And that's where the next prompt we're gonna come into play. So now I'm gonna say, please go ahead and imagine. And then I'm gonna say, provide here Midjourney with a link. And I have the link open here. This is a link that includes basically an image. And now I'm saying, please, to Midjourney, reference this image and create a beautiful website of ancient Egyptian jewelry, return of the pharaohs, gold, blue aliens, website. And let's go ahead and press enter. And let's see if Midjourney is going to learn about the details or about the style of the image that I provided it. And now it's gonna fuse those two together, its own background knowledge with their own input information that I just provided as the link. And let's go ahead and see if it's gonna work or not. And here we go, Midjourney is imagining, and you can actually tell right away. So if you click on it, now you can see, if you click on open browser, look how incredible that is. So basically it took the idea here from this image and now created its own imagination out of it, added aliens to it, added return of the pharaohs, added gold, added blue. Pretty incredible, amazing job, Midjourney, and thanks team for creating such an incredible tool. And there you have it, Midjourney in a few minutes. Wow. It's not just a tool, it's a revolution wrapped in code. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in future videos. Until then, keep creating, keep imagining, and keep dreaming with the power of Midjourney. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you, and until next time.